Sapele wood has a very similar look and feel to mahogany, except sapele is a little bit more dense. The material I'm using is described as 5/4, which means 5/4 of an inch thick, but 5/4 will usually measure about 1 1/16 inches, and that's allowing for milling. To get started on this project, I already ripped the board to 1 3/4 inches. The next step is to use a bead molding bit in the router to add a bead molding profile at the inside front of the frame. After using the router to cut the bead molding profile, I'll now use the table saw to cut a rabbet to accept the panel. And I've already tested the cut on this piece of scrap wood. I'll make the first cut on all 4 pieces of molding, being sure to keep the bead down and against the fence. Now I'll raise the blade, readjust the fence, and finish the cut. To get the measurement for the miter cut, I'll hold the panel at the inside of the miter and make a mark on the other side. Then I'll transfer that mark to the edge, and using a combination square, I'll hold the straight edge at the line and continue it to the other side of the molding. Now I can align the mark at the back of the molding with the kerf in my sacrificial fence and make the cut. To join the frames together, I'm using wood glue and 1-inch long nails in my 23 gauge pin nailer. I'll be sure to remove any of the glue squeeze out with a wet rag and a wet paintbrush. I know a lot of people are saying this is something you shouldn't do. I disagree. After sanding the frames, I'm ready to apply the walnut stain. Sometimes I like to use walnut stain on sapele just to kind of take the red out. I'll let the stain dry, and then I'll finish the frames with a few thin coats of lacquer. Well, I got to tell you, I really like the way this frame turned out. It's pretty simple, but at the same time, that bead just gives it a little bit of decoration. If you enjoyed this video, I hope that you'll hit the like button. And if you're not subscribed, I hope that you'll subscribe. And if you want to know more about this painting or the available prints, you can click on the link over here. And also, I hope that you'll check out the Makers Mob. I'm really excited to be part of the Makers Mob, along with Jesse DeGeese, the Samurai Carpenter, Jimmy DeResta. I'm really excited to bring some really fine woodworking over the next couple of weeks and months. The guys are great over there, and to learn more about it, click on the link right here. As always, thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.